Hey guys, from this video I want to give you the information about our promotion which will be on this January. So after New Year, I'm planning to make the promotion for that kind of the people who want to join Be Epic business, but for some reason they don't have the possibility. In fact, they don't have the money to start the business with Be Epic. So we decide with my structure to make the promotion for that kind of the people, and you guys have a chance to receive Accelerate or Elevate, and registration in our company is absolutely for free if you will pass the exam. So how the promotion will look like, guys? You should know all the information about the Be Epic company. You should learn all the information about our great products Elevate and Accelerate. You should know all the ingredients. You should know everything about how this works. Also, you should know information about our compensation plan. This is really important. All this information you should learn, and then we'll make the webinar, and on this webinar we'll bring you on this webinar, and you should make the presentation for our structure for the Revolution 360, guys. So if you could do the presentation and you will explain the information about our compensation plan, about our great products Elevate and Accelerate, and also, really important, guys, you should know the information about our President and CEO Eric Caprizi, and you should know information about our great leaders and mentors Larry and Gary Lane from Los Angeles, California. So if you could make the short presentation on the 30 minutes, and you will ensure us that you know all the information, that you know all the ingredients of our products and how this works, plus you will explain for us compensation plan, we will send you Elevate or Accelerate absolutely for free. As you can choose which one you want. So we will send you absolutely for free, and you can start the Be Epic business with us also absolutely for free. Plus, we will teach the people everything about the business. We will teach the people everything about our products. All of this we teach. So you can also learn this information from our presentations, but for trainings, you should be qualified. So it means that you need to get this product for yourself. But if you don't have the money, you have the chance to learn everything by yourself from the websites. Right now, it's really important. I will give you the websites from where you can learn the information. And then you can pass exam in the end of the January to receive the Accelerate or Elevate absolutely for free. So first website, guys, please listen to me right now. The first website from where you can get the information, it's www.beepic.com. It's really important. This is our main website where all the information about the company, where information about the opportunity. Also from there you can download the compensation plan. Second website is www.beepictools.com. So there you can see which tools you can use for promotion, which tools we use, what kind of the different tools we have, and all this stuff will be really useful to learn the information. The third website is www.beepicforlife.com, guys. So there you can see the webinars, you can listen different kind of the record calls from our Dr. Norwood, and also you can see the different kind of the pictures with the ingredients, with all the supplement facts about our products. Also there you can find some reviews. So this is really amazing, guys. This is really amazing on the 100%. The www.beepicforlife.com. This is the third website. The fourth website, guys, you must know the information about our great mentors and the leaders is the Larry and Gary Lane. It's our Hollywood star. So you must go through the link www.lanetwins.net. Once again, www.lanetwins.net. So there you will find information about our great leaders, Larry and Gary Lane, about our mentors. This is the best right now leaders in the company, so you should know everything about what they do, how they do, and what they do in Hollywood and also in the Be Epic company. And the last website is the www.caprarizifoundation.org. So right there you'll find information about Eric Caprizi, about who is this guy, because he's the founder of the Be Epic and also he's the CEO, and all of this you should learn, guys. If you could do that and you can make the presentation about this for us on the Zoom platform, guys, and we'll give you the access absolutely for free. So if you could do that, we'll send you the Accelerate or Elevate absolutely for free, plus you will receive the place in our structure absolutely for free also. And I think this is on the 100% great proposal for anyone and for everyone, and this is really great because before nobody was making it. Right now we decided to help the people because for some reason they don't have the possibility, yeah, they don't have the money, but right now you have the opportunity to learn everything and get these products absolutely for free. Anyway, if you want to join the Be Epic and if you want to do business with us, you need to learn this information. But we'll give right now the opportunity to you to learn this information before you join, make some kind of the presentation for us that you will ensure that you know everything. We will send you the products absolutely for free and you can start to do business with us. And this will be the huge step for you, the huge jump in the business, and you can start to make the money faster than other guys. So decision on yourself. Plus guys, all these links will be in the description. You can find it from there, the information. Also you can find my contacts in the description. You can find my WhatsApp, my Skype, my mail address and everything. Also my Facebook will be in the description, so don't hesitate to contact. Every time we keep in touch with you, every time we want to help the new people to join the Be Epic and help them to grow with us. So guys, make your decision, start to learn the information, and in the end of the January, we will choose the day when the people can make the presentation for us. I will tell you exactly in the January what day it will be. So you have the chance to join absolutely for free, and you have a chance to make the great money with the Be Epic company and with our structure Revolution 360. Guys, so God bless you. Right now you have everything to start. Right now you have everything to join the Be Epic. Right now you have everything to join Revolution 360 and grow your business. And it doesn't matter your status. You have money, you don't have money. You have the chance. You have the opportunity. So do it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Airline channel. Don't forget to ask the question. If you do not understand something, we're ready to answer. We're glad to answer. And of course, all the time I want to tell you, stay blessed. We'll see you in the next video.